Hi, this is Simon from HomeKit News, and this week we're looking at the new VOCOlinc LS2 SmartGlow light strip, the first in a new range of lighting products under the SmartGlow banner. Let's have a look. So before we proceed with the unboxing, I just wanted to show you the new packaging versus the packaging for the LS1, the first light strip, and how VOCOlinc have managed to reduce the size of it by over 50% despite the products and parts being pretty much the same in terms of size. So I think that's something to be applauded, especially in an age where we need to reduce wastage. And as you can see from the box, it follows VOCOlinc's same styling with the product on the front and the green sides. And as with all their products, this works with Google, Alexa and HomeKit. Okay, so what's in the box? You get yourself an English manual, you get the light strip itself, the controller button and some stickers to go with that, and then finally the power supply, which includes a couple of adapters. So if you're in the European Union, you're going to get the Type F plug, although there's also the UK plug, which is Type G. And then if, like me, you need a North American plug, then you get the Type A plug, which is also suitable for Japan and even China. So putting it all together is really straightforward. You choose your adapter and click that into place, and then you connect the light strip to the cable attached to the controller. Now if you want to extend the light strip beyond the initial 2 meters, you can buy a 2 meter extension that is kept in place with a supplied adhesive strip similar to a band-aid, where you wrap both halves of the strip around both ends of the extension and the original light strip. Once the light strip's connected up, you just plug in the barrel connector from the power supply into the controller and then plug it into the power outlet where the strip will initially light up. Installation, and in this case via the Home app, is pretty much standard. You scan the HomeKit code and let HomeKit get to work by identifying it and connecting it up to your Wi-Fi network. Once that's all done, you simply name the device if you wish to, choose the room that it's going to be located in, and then finally include it as a favourite if you so wish. Next, I'm going to move over to the Linkwise app on my iPad just to show you some of the exclusive light effects you can get with this app. Just like other third-party HomeKit apps, the Linkwise app allows you to choose the colour and the brightness of the light strip, just with the use of the colour wheel here, as you can see. In addition, you can also change the colour temperature, so if you want white lights, you can go from a nice warm white all the way down to a cool white. So in that respect, it's kind of serves as a basic light as well as a mood light, if you will. So next we move on to the colour effects in the Linkwise app, and the first of these is called Flow, which essentially allows you to flow between a series of colours that you choose for yourself. You can choose the speed at which they flow, and you can adjust the brightness as well, which is pretty handy. Breathe is the next effect, and it's similar to Flow, except instead of blending into the next colour, the brightness dips to 0 before moving on to the next colour. The next effect is called Candle, and this makes the light fluctuate pretty much like a candle. Now with this effect you're limited to the white spectrum, so only cool, neutral or warm whites are available in this particular case. Onto the blink effect. Now this simply turns the light strip on and off, so probably suitable for complementing an alarm, for example. The flicker effect is essentially like the candle effect, only you get to choose your own colours. In the Linkwise app, one of the main pages you're going to be dealing with is called the Moments page, and from here you can control the brightness and the hue of your lights, in addition to certain effects like we've already seen before. But in addition, you've got a section called Daylight, and this allows you to set your lights to come on at a low level and gradually increase in brightness over the course of a period of time you set by yourself. In addition, there's a Schedules page that allows you to set the lights to come on and off at certain times of the day and at certain days of the week. Finally, you have the Settings page, which allows you to link to the VOCOlinc cloud, change various other settings, or even check the strength of the Wi-Fi signal reaching the light strip. For basic controls, you can just head over to the Overview tab, which allows you to change the colour of the strip, as well as see the Wi-Fi signal strength and check for firmware updates. And if you look in the corner there, you can see that there's an update waiting for me now. So the basic specs for the LS2 light strip are as follows. It's a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi based device. It's suitable for practically anywhere, covering 100 to 240 volts. It comes with plug adapters, so it's useful for the UK, the US and the EU. It has 16 million colours, 250 lumens per metre, and it works with Alexa, HomeKit and Google. So those are the specs, but let's look at the pros and cons of this product. So first of all, it's budget friendly, so it's a nice cheap price compared to many. It works with all the three main systems. Admittedly, it's not as bright as many others, but considering it's a mood light, it's okay. It covers all regions and voltages. It's not IP67 water rated, but then again, it's probably not going to be used outside. It has a physical control, unlike the Hue strip, and it does have exclusive effects via the Linkwise app. So that's just our overview of the LS2 light strip, but if you want to read a more in-depth review of this product, head over to homekitnews.com and you can read it there. Thanks again. Bye bye.